What is an author CEO day and how can it help your writing life? Hi, my name is Elke. I'm an author and a fiction book coach. And today I'm going to share with you what CEO days are and how they help your writing life. So, do you consider yourself a writer or the CEO of your writing life? If you don't, I really want to encourage you to, because there is more to being a writer than just writing. As much as we want it to be that way, unfortunately, it's not. And CEO days can help you to get serious about your writing life and what you want to create. And that doesn't mean taking the fun and the creativity out of it. If anything, it actually helps you to get serious because you're treating your writing life as a business, and it helps you to achieve what you actually want for your writing life. So what are they? What are CEO days? Basically, they are planning days for authors. And this means planning out what you want to create as your dream writing life, whether that's for the year or the big picture or for the year. And you can also use them to plan out your writing life, what you want, how you're going to launch your books, how you're going to market your books. Everything and anything that you want to create for your writing life will go into your author day, okay? And you can also use it to track your progress throughout the year, which is also crucial to creating the writing life that you want. Because let's face it, how many times do we say, this is what I want to create for my writing life, and in January, and then we're looking in December and we've done nothing throughout the whole year, or we haven't reached where we want to go. And this is where CEO days can really help you to stay on top of your goals that you set for the year for yourself and for your writing. Now, how do they actually help? I kind of explained it a little bit as far as what they are. Now, how they actually help is to help you with planning, because I know a lot of times we don't like to plan. We just want to sit down, we want to write our books, and we just want to send them off to somebody or put them out ourselves, and if we build it, they will come, right? If we write it, they will come or they will buy. And unfortunately, it doesn't really work that way. This is how CEO days help. They help you with planning and measuring your goals so that you can see where you're going and where you need to maybe make adjustments. They also help with good habits, building good habits with creating the writing life that you want. Because oftentimes we kind of put our heads down, we're focusing on writing, and we're not looking at the big picture or actually creating the habits that we need to run a successful writing career. And having CEO days really help with that. They also help you with building. I know I probably said that like a bazillion times in this video, but it's really true. They really help you to focus on building your writing career. And that is what CEO days are, because you can have one at the beginning of the year to say, this is everything that I want to create for my dream writing life. These are the steps that I need to take in order to achieve them throughout the year. And then when you measure them, whether that's monthly or quarterly, you're measuring your goals to see, are you on track? Do you need to make adjustments? And doing that really helps to build the good habit of being aware of where you're at with building your writing life and helping you to focus on the steps that you need to take in order to achieve and create the writing life that you want. And let's face it, that's what we all want. And as much as it would be nice to say, okay, I just need to do this and everything's going to be rosy and it's all going to be wonderful. Unfortunately, we need to build good habits in order to achieve that. And this is where author CEO days are so wonderful for that. Now, if you are interested in becoming the CEO of your writing life in 2022, I want to invite you to my workshop, Author CEO Day. And it's a 2-hour workshop where I am going to walk you through creating your own CEO day and what you want to create for your writing life in 2022. So I will put the link for that workshop in the description of the video so that you can check it out for yourself. Now, I hope that you have a fabulous rest of your week. And if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to find out more about CEO days, or if you are on your fiction writing journey and looking for tips of how to do it all, whether you're a parent or whether you're just a writer and you kind of want to figure out how to make it all work. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next video where I'm actually going to be blogging about how I'm doing in Nano. So have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.